हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू अवर डीएस इंग्लिश कोचिंग क्लासेस। आज हम देखने वाले हैं क्लास 10th के फर्स्ट फ्लाइट चैप्टर नंबर 5 द 100 ड्रेसेस फर्स्ट के क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो आइए शुरुआत करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, वेयर इन द क्लासरूम डज वांडा सिट एंड वाई। आंसर है वांडा यूज्ड टू सिट इन पेनल्टीमेट रो for row of benches in room 13. She is from a poor family and looks untidy. Her feet were normally checked with dry mud and very dirty, so in order to avoid being laughed at by her classmates, she sat there to hide herself from the class. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है इसका, वेयर डज वांडा लाइव। व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ए प्लेस डू यू थिंक इट इज। आंसर है वांडा लाइव्स एट बोगिंग हाइट्स। इट सीम्स that it is a place far away from the school, and the fact that her shoes are covered in mud gives an idea that Boggings Heights is not a developed area. More likely it could be like some unplanned colony or a slum area. Next question है, when and why do Peggy and Maddie notice Wanda's absence? आंसर है Peggy and Maddie notice Wanda's absence after 3 days. Example for on Wednesday, because they wanted to be with her for a lot of fun. They waited for her for a long time, but she didn't turn up. Next question है, what do you think to have fun with her means? Answer है Wanda was a quiet and shy girl because of her looks and dirty feet. These girls used to make fun of her hair to have fun with her. Means that they liked to tease Wanda. This gave them a lot of pleasure. Next question है, in what way was Wanda different from the other children? Answer है Wanda was different from other children. She did not have any friends. She came to school alone and went home alone. She always wore a faded blue dress that did not fit her properly. Unlike other children, she did not talk to anybody or had different dresses to wear. Next question है, did Wanda have 100 dresses? Why do you think she said did? Answer है no, she did not have 100 dresses because she was poor and wore the same faded dress to school every day. She had an inferiority complex. In order to hide the complex and impress the other girls, she always said that she had 100 dresses. She exerted this may be because she did not want other to make fun of her. Next question है, why is Maddie impressed by the questions Peggy asked Wanda? She is she also like Wanda or is she different? Answer है, Maddie was impressed by the questions Peggy asked Wanda because she too belonged to a poor family. She usually wore old and already worn clothes, which were given by the other people. She did not feel sorry for Wanda but instead was worried for herself. Perhaps later everyone would start teasing her too. She thought she was different from Wanda in the sense that she usually wore old and already worn clothes which were given by some other people. She did not feel sorry for Wanda but instead was worried for herself that perhaps later everyone would start teasing to her too. She thought she was different from Wanda in the sense that she would never claim that she had 100 dresses. She was not as poor as Wanda, but could understand the trauma that Wanda felt thrown when the others mocked her. Next question है, why didn't Maddie ask Peggy to stop teasing Wanda? What was she afraid of? Maddie didn't ask Peggy to stop teasing Wanda because Peggy was her best friend and she had faith in Peggy that she would never do anything wrong. She was afraid that she also might be laughed at for her poor dresses. Next question है, who did Maggie think would win the drawing contest? Why? Contest and why? Answer, Maddie thought that Peggy would win the drawing contest because Peggy drove better than anyone else. She was a confident girl who had built a strong reputation among her classmates. She could copy a picture in a magazine or some film star face so well that one could easily guess who it was. Who won the driving contest? What had the winner drowned? Wanda won the driving contest. The winner of driving contest was appreciated by the judges and applauded by her fellow classmates. She made a drawing of 100 dresses. होप आप सभी को यह वीडियो पसंद आया होगा और आप सभी अपनी कॉपी में इससे लिखेंगे और अपने मित्रों के पास भी इसको शेयर करेंगे और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करेंगे।